Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Westmont local and long-distance movers near me. We provide the right skilled long-distance moving solutions to help make your move a lot simpler. When you need to move 100 miles away or even 2,000 miles away, we will help. With us, you get all the best moving services to make moving a lot easier. Working with us provides you access to all of the necessary moving services, including the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing material, and transparent pricing. Whenever you need to work with a California moving company, justifying the expense can seem difficult. A local moving company delivers many benefits, which can make it well worth the cost. You get the benefit of conserving time on your local move, which might be well worth it. Movers can also make sure you don't have to manage any of the heavy lifting. With our qualified movers, you get a very effective move from beginning to end. Using a local moving company like 3 Movers, you receive a more efficient move. Moving locally can be very quick, and our crew can handle even a large move in just one morning. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Westmont moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.